everybody. This is my partner, Isaac. And so today we're going to do that really exciting trend of my boyfriend does my makeup. What would you rate your makeup skills at?
0? I don't know anything.
Just go for gold and just make me look cute, right?
I guess. Cool, I don't know what any of this stuff is. Supersized fibers. Oh, this is for lashes.
Show them.
Right? Oh, lashes. Probably.
Yeah.
Are these all for lashes in here? Oh,
I kind of organize everything by type.
Alright.
So.
Well, what do you start with first? You're supposed to put on the stuff.
Sure.
Loose face powder. Tight face powder. Well, it's loose because it's not a cake. Oh. Okay.
It went everywhere.
Oof. Smells good though. Clean matte. Is this something that you would start with?
Maybe.
Is this some junk? Alright, well, I'm gonna put it on with this thing. This looks like a thing that you use to... I guess, I don't know. Start with it by... Look better than Donald Trump. Cover up all that open pores. Reddit knows what I'm doing. Yeah, if nothing else, this will make your face smell good.
Oh, we have another gentleman.
Yeah, Nero.
Hello.
Black, and he's here. Hi, kitty. There we go. Awesome lighting, so I can tell what I'm doing. You don't want the line.
At least you're good on that.
The Trump line. I don't know. Okay, we'll say that that's done. I don't like this powder because it got everywhere. So we're done with that stuff.
Oh my goodness, hi! Cat. He goes, no!
Yes. He's gonna help.
He's a powder puff. He helps me blend it.
There you go. Goodbye.
See ya.
Anyway, where's that black stuff, that eyeliner or whatever? The markery stuff. These are all...
That's eyeliner.
This is eyeliner?
Yeah.
God, it looks scary.
That's liquid eyeliner. I have pencil eyeliner too.
Oh, okay. That seems like less of a mess.
That's an eyebrow pencil.
Oh, okay. Oh, cat's gonna knock that over. Shadow stick. Whatever. This looks more of a thing. Alright, eyeliner. That's balls or something here. I forget if it's supposed to go on like the inside of this lip. I think it is. Why isn't this a point? Isn't this supposed to be a point?
I have a sharpener in there somewhere.
Oh, okay. Well, now you're just getting nasty. Oh. I'm blaming it on you that it's all goofed up. Whatever.
Sorry.
My Chemical Romance would be proud of this. That looks really bad.
Hold on. I can't do it on laugh. Okay, go.
Okay. I don't think this is gonna go on because your eyes are all wet now.
I'm sorry.
For the really bad junior prom look. There we go. Yeah, big line coming off of that. It's not the pointy line that you know, girls do. So let's see here. Then you need to do the thing with the eyebrows. Or not the eyebrows, the eyelashes. Put clumps of black on them. Right hand. This ain't gonna end well.
You're left-handed, aren't you?
Yes. Are you supposed to do the bottom ones with this too, or no?
That's a personal preference thing.
Oh, okay. Probably not then.
Some people do, some
This is
people
already
don't.
hard enough. There, that works. It's getting there.
Cute.
Let's see
Dante
here.
is watching us, very concerned about our well-being.
Yeah.
He goes, "Are you guys okay?"
Is this eyebrow pencil something I should use? Is this a common thing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. You just see if you just do something like this. Just highlight them. You need a Sharpie, I'm pretty sure. Good enough. You can say I used it. That's about it.
Okay. I see a difference.
Alright, well we already have this palette out and dirty, so colors, a bunch of colors.
Fun fact, I got that one from the dollar store.
Sweet.
Oh, Nero. He seems concerned. He's leaving. He's over it.
Let's see what happens with this now. We gotta do this, yeah. Getting there. Alright. Cover up all those eye veins.
They exist. Got some art makeup skills.
It's uneven.
Art skills. Professional makeup artist. PMA. Puma. Puma. Coming together?
I don't know. Maybe. Why don't we put the red right on the tip of your nose for the clown thing?
Perfect.
The clown thing.
Oh, actually, I have crazy blush if you want to use that.
I don't care, sure.
Well, there's some
Gotta use
blush in
something.
there.
Yeah, where is
but
it?
Let me go get it.
Okay. Oh, kitten. Hi, kitten. This doesn't look like blush, it just looks like fuzzles. Oh, here we go. Maxi blush.
I got this because I wanted to try it to see if it would work well for like
The word like
lolita.
maxi. Oh my god. Have you used this before? It's still
No,
got,
that's
I was
new.
gonna say, it's got texture in it still. Could do God of High School and put it right on the nose, I suppose. Then you gotta put it on your ears if you were from the God of High School.
Ears. I need my ears to be puffy.
Uh-huh. Make it look like you have a cold.
It's a look.
Me.
Me.
I don't want to put too much on.
I hear naughty shenanigans going on over there.
You see his tail? Oh, you can just barely see his tail.
Barely see his tail.
Flipping around.
Nero. Nero, what are you doing?
Of course he's not doing it on camera, whatever it is.
Dante's investigating.
Liquid lip color. Let's see. That's a lot. It's a lot of red. Very red. Oh, this one's healthy lip. That's good. The healthiest. side is you're supposed to use? This looks like it's gonna go on hella chunky. Jeez. I don't know. Oops. No, that ain't no good. Oh well. Somebody gave the 5-year-old the lipstick. Is this the kind of thing where you're supposed to like bite a napkin afterwards to like set it, get all the chunkies off? I don't know how the fuck this works. This is crazy. Yeah, how do you make that go? Oh, okay, yeah, like that. Whatever, that works. Just gotta get the corners off. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know. What other stuff does people put on in here? What is this? Too Faced, it's sparkly.
Liquid eyeshadow.
Oh, I think we already have shadowy stuff on there. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know what else to do. It's funny as you can see Nero on the screen, right there in the mirror. Kidding.
Hi.
That's another dusty one that'll explode everywhere. We don't want any part of that. BB cream. All these are physicians' formulas. Bold. Bolt. Oh, that's just more colors and a mirror. See yourself. Oh. See him.
There he is. Nero.
That's a good looking cat.
Get a load of that cat. An excellent lad.
I think any more of this stuff and I'll just make it worse. I wish the little things were more pointy. I like them when they're pointy, like a cat.
You could try the liquid. That's how I always make my points.
Okay. That was this one. Elf Sun. It's probably just gonna get worse at this point now. Let's see here. Oh! Smeared. That looks good. Oh, that is a lot easier. Should have started with that. That pencil thing sucks.
People are always scared of this one.
Just gonna have double. Oops. Cool. Oh, that got bad. Whatever. It's like the freaking eyelashes get in the way.
Cut them off.
Yeah.
I have magnetic liquid eyeliner.
Meh.
I have magnetic liquid eyeliner so you can put on lashes afterwards.
How weird.
Yeah, no,
That is cool. Yeah, I don't know. I think I give up. I don't think it's gonna get any better.
Yeah?
It can probably only get worse from here.
Alright, let's see what the damage is.
Yeah, pretty sloppy. You got double points because of the pencil thing.
I love it.
Yeah.
I am an epitome of beauty.
Yeah, you look like you're ready to hit the runway.
Well, how do you feel? Is it easy to put on makeup?
No, of course not. Who would have expected it to be?
So it's not easy?
Probably got to be good at drawing or something.
Something like
When you're not good at drawing, it gets like that.
Well, thanks for joining us then.
Here I am.
Our new makeup artist here.
Hopefully not.
Budding star.
Gonna take a few years of practice to get anywhere.
Well, it'll be like that sometimes. But you know what? It's, for all intents and purposes, it's really not that bad.
It's adequate.
Yeah.
You can go to the dollar store, maybe Walmart.
You did well on the lipstick, that's for sure.
Really?
Yeah, it came out pretty nice.
Thought it looked kind of chunky. That's
little,
cool.
but
Yeah, on
like-
the edges.
But when you
when you eat
pretty
spaghetti.
close. Yeah,
Got
It's a look.
spaghetti lipstick.
It's a choice. It's a choice. It's an aesthetic choice. That's the new Tumblr, the new Tumblr trend.
Oh, I wouldn't know.
But yeah, essentially, for all intents and purposes, it actually was not bad.
Just that eyeshadow got sloppy.
That's okay.
Pretty
Eyeshadow?
sloppy.
I thought the eyeshadow.
Or not eyeshadow.
The eyeliner?
Eyeliner, yeah.
That's okay. Eyeliner is the hardest part. Even most people have a hard time doing eyeliner, so
Most people.
you're not.
Good thing I fall into most people.
It's hard.
Category.
It's hard. Like I said, a lot of people are really intimidated by the liquid eyeliner.
Seemed to work easier than the pencil.
Yeah, and that's why I like it.
Pencil sucked. Just don't bother with that.
All right, well, thanks for joining us for this exciting adventure. I'm
pretty wild.
I've wanted to do this meme for a very spicy
We're
minute.
a meme now.
It is.
Uh-oh.
We are a meme. Meme mom. And our meme
Look,
cats.
I got my eyeshadow on already. Nice and dark. Looks good.
Good. That's what concealer's for.
I don't need to conceal it. It means I work hard.
Conceal, don't feel. But anyway, so thanks for joining us today. This is a fun little
Wild
experiment.
time.
Fun little jamboree, jambo. And I will see you guys on Wednesday with another video. How exciting!
Au revoir.
Goodbye.